Welcome back to Ferocious Education, this is Ed. Today I'm going to be talking about Iterum Therapeutics, going with the ticker ITRM. Now I covered this one before, the last video is in the description below, but nonetheless today I'm going to be giving additional news, updates, and then technical analysis, institutional buyers, and then what I think about this stock. So without further ado, let's jump right into this one. So ITRM, we do have two latest news that are actually more of the recent age since my last video. One on May 27th, and I did cover the one on May 14th before, relating towards their earnings, etc., their Q1 results, and what do they think about some specific dates where they can anticipate some positive news. So Iterum Therapeutics provides updates on the NDA review. Now that was relating towards the FDA. The reviews of the NDA is ongoing, and the company was informed that the FDA continues to work towards the PDUFA goal date of July 2021 or July 25th, 2021. And so the other things there was that during the meeting, the FDA shared issues still under review regarding the company's new drug administration for sulopenem for the treatment of uncomplicated urinary tract infections in patients with communal and susceptible pathogens, and company responded to these issues. Now, we can go back towards some of their earnings, but I've covered that one before, and you get to see that the main part is the PDUFA goal date of July 25th, 2021, and it seems to be all the buzz in the current time. Now, in terms of the institutional buyers, you get to see that it's been quiet ever since the 21st of May. So that is itself not more of a warning sign, just because, a red flag would be people selling and institutions selling, but you don't actually see that to be the case. Now, in terms of SEC filings, we don't have much SEC filings. In the last SEC filing, again, talks about that July 25th PR date that they're anticipating. Now, as well, if we were to look back into price over book, you're looking at a 723, which is a tad above the average of the SP 500 market and their competitors. Price over books for pharmas are usually quite low, but for this one here, it's around 2 to 3 higher than that average. Now, in terms of EPS this year, that was actually very positive, and next year you're looking into around 30%, and hopefully you're able to get one of these products to have actual to be launched into the market to have a solid revenue stream. Now, insider transaction here says negative 71 or 97%, which I do actually think that is not correct, because I tried to track it and wasn't able to do so. And return on assets, yes, that's negative because it's research and development pharma. So there's a lot of things going there. But they did receive almost 2 upgrades in the month of May. But later on, the first one was actually March, not May, my bad. That was from neutral to buy. And May 28th, Gabelli & Co. got from sell to hold. So that's still definitely a positive thing. Now, let's move on towards technical analysis, but before doing so, make sure to click that subscribe button on the bottom right corner, click the bell notification buttons as well because it helps my channel, and make sure to drop that like. If you would like to join our Discord, totally free in the description below. Now towards technical analysis. Now, from a technical analysis point of view, first off, we start with the 1 week perspective. We've seen a really nice bullish reversal on the week of 30 May, and it continues to expand onto the bullish side. The willing percent R still shows highly overbought, so that's definitely a negative side. And the ADX, you're seeing that this one here is still picking up into what seems to be a strong trend at 34. So all these things are bullish momentum as well as bullish. So on 1 week perspective, it's bullish on all sides. And that's definitely a really nice thing to see. Now, on the 1 day perspective, we start seeing that the 10 SMA is above the 30 EMA, which is incredibly bullish. The 50 SMA is also above the 200 SMA, again, another bullish indicator. The ADX is at 41.13, and this one indicates that it's very strong bullish movement. Now, you start worrying about a reversal past 45 to 50. 45 is more of a warning sign. 50, that's where you start worrying about. Now, the willing percent R again is overbought in this section, but the MACD is bullish and momentum is incredibly bullish. Now, on the stochastic fast and stochastic slow, both are actually showing you another leg up for this one, so that's definitely a bullish thing to see. And the Bollinger moving average band, which is a momentum average band, you're seeing a top at 205 and a bottom at 83 cents. And in terms of Fibonacci retracements, we see a very interesting point that occurred recently. So in the recent times, we're seeing that there was this resistance at the 203. Currently, that is actually support. The next support is 173, after that 142, and then 105, and then to 45 cents. Significant resistances on the Fibonacci retracements is 246 and a $3 mark. Now from a price line action, you're seeing a significant resistance coming up soon, closer towards, I would say, around the 215 to the 217 mark. After that, you're looking into a 236, and then 250, and then 273. Current support, you're seeing a very strong support sitting at the 181. Below there, 168. Below there, 159. Below there, you're looking into 151 and then down towards 137. And then after that, you're looking into 126. You're going to 116, 101, and then down to 93 cents, 88 cents, down to 79 cents, and then down to 66 cents. Comes to the question to Ed, what do you actually think about this one? Well, this has been a short video because we don't have a lot of updates towards this one, and I'm really trying to give you straight on facts and not some fairy tale to the moon, etc., and some really far off conspiracy theory boards. But in a sense, I do think that these guys will continue to go with this push forward as long as they get closer to the PDUFA date of July 25th. There's a lot of attention for this one. In one single bullish PR, what's going to happen is it's going to fly off and then probably drop and accumulate. For one reason, buy the rumor, sell the news. Keep that in mind. But I definitely think that this is a very strong bullish action that still has momentum backing and it's moving on forward. So keep that in mind when you're trading this one, but know when to get out, because I don't think, well, for a lot of pharmas, I don't think they're more of a longer term plan unless they get really massive quick. But in a sense, you can make a lot of money trading this one and holding it for a shorter term. What do you think about this ticker? Make sure to mention down in the comments below. Share, subscribe, and like, and have a wonderful day.